Alright guys, here's an MBRP muffler, twin pipes coming out of it. And I put this on my truck a couple weeks ago, and it sounds like shit. It sounds like a stock exhaust. So, I have my grinder ready. So let's cut this motherfucker open and see what's inside. Alright, what's in here? Well, that's obviously all broken all to pieces. Got a bunch of pipes in there. And this doesn't want to seem to slide off. Let's fix that. Alright, I got it off. This is what's inside of an MBRP muffler. Well, I don't know what style of muffler this is, but this style of muffler. So that's what's inside of it. A bunch of fucking junk. And just to show you, I don't know if you can see it, but MBRP. So, what I'm gonna fucking do to this piece of shit, I'm gonna cut all these baffles out. And take this son of a bitch, and I'm going to place that right on that other piece of pipe, and I'm going to weld that motherfucker solid. Then I'm going to take this motherfucker right here, measure the length between here and what this is going to be, cut this motherfucker that length, weld that motherfucker back on, and it's going to sound a hell of a lot better. All that garbage all cut off. Now the two pieces are ready to fucking glue back together. Let's do it. Alright, now that that motherfucker's all bubble gummed together, I'm going to cut a chunk out of this plate. Not going to do no measurements. Just going to eyeball it with the grinder. And yeah, welder will fix everything else. Alright guys, here it is. It's all finished up. Minus that hole that you see right there. I'm gonna have to fill that in, but yeah, it's almost time to put her back on the truck. Oh yeah, you ain't a true fucking redneck if you don't fire the truck up with the whole exhaust cut off and bounce her off the rev limiter a little bit. Well, alright guys, I got it all welded up. She's under there, I'll weld it. Let's fire it up and see what it sounds like. There you go. She's straight pipe once again. The engine in this truck, if you guys never saw my other videos, it's a 5.3. It's an LS engine. So that's what she sounds like.